to install this, you need to pinch two wires. The first one is the green one. Now you gotta pinch the black wire. Not this one here, but the next one right there. Just like this. Now you need to install your resistor. And you see how the bulb is amber color right now? It really should be white at all time, like this. That's the reason you need to install your resistor. Now I'm going to install one side of the wire of the resistor to this black wire here. And I'm not going to install the green one yet. Let me show you what happens whenever you do not have the resistor installed in your truck. Whenever you turn on your turn signal, it's going to flicker very fast. Let me show you. So you see, I'm not going to install the other side yet. Watch how fast my turn signal is going to be blinking. You see how fast it's blinking? We don't want that. Look at that. So if you grab the other end of the resistor and touch the wire, it'll bring it back to normal. Well, you see how fast it's flickering? Watch this. Look how it slowed down. That's normal. So let's tape this wire up real quick. As you can see, look. See how it goes white, amber, white, amber? That's what you want. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.